Part 1, Human DNA Mysteries. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. The information in DNA is stored as a code made up of 4 chemical bases, which are usually abbreviated to A, G, C, and T. Human DNA consists of about 3 billion of these bases. More than 99% of bases are the same in all people. The order or sequence of these bases determines the information available for building and maintaining an organism. 97% of human DNA is referred to by scientists as junk DNA. Researchers are very interested in finding out what junk DNA is used for, and does it actually do anything? Well, one recent study suggests that it really doesn't. But boy, are they in for a rude shock. Amino acids combine to form proteins. There are 64 possible codes of amino acids in our DNA structure. Of these 64 possibilities, only 20 of these codes are turned on right now. Human genes are approximately 98% similar to chimpanzees, 85% with dogs, 75% with mice, and 113 of our genes come from bacteria. There are about 250 unique genes that are not found in any other lower species, and scientists have not been able to find any evolutionary basis for these genes. Well, is this human DNA? 250 genes of unknown origin plus 24,750 genes of known origin, when added together give us our 25,000 human genes. But that would make humans hybrids, wouldn't it? 250 of our genes have no evolutionary basis. Why? And only 20 out of 64 amino acids are turned on right now. Why? Because part of us is foreign to this planet. Our genetic code was written by an extraterrestrial programmer that wrote 2 versions of our genetic code, a basic code and an advanced code. Our so-called junk DNA is actually a hidden and dormant upgrade of our basic code. So what scientists have been calling junk DNA is actually divine DNA. It is a clever, self-organizing, self-editing, self-developing, self-correcting, self-exacting software program with a built-in wireless connection to the ageless wisdom of the universe. Our ET programmer deliberately disabled the advanced code and left us to exist on only 3% of our DNA. That is why your life is like a broken radio dial that is stuck on one station called 5 Sense Reality. But all that is going to change very soon.